What's happening, guys? It's Charles and Chargers back. I have a Buck City Breaker box just got in the mail, and pretty cool. I didn't expect it. Didn't know I was getting one, so that's pretty cool. Maybe for going hitless in the definitive break. So I have no idea what packs I got or anything, so we will all be finding out together. All right, got some supplies. Got our breaker mat / mouse pad, the newest one. Got the Buck City knife. They got different colors now. Got the black one, very cool. Favorite color. All right. Box is empty except for the peanuts. And our packs. Let's take a look here. Got 2018 Select. Very cool. 2020 Gypsy Queen. Oh, it's 19 Certified. And a 2006 Hot Prospects. Sweet. All right, let's start it off with a Gypsy Queen. Alrighty, got a nice one on the back there. All right, got Rodriguez. Move this up here. There we go. Smith. Nick Solak, rookie. Javi Baez. Got a David Dahl missing nameplate. Shin-Soo Choo. Travis Demeritte. And a nice Gavin Lux. That's cool. I'll take that. Very cool. All right, let's go with the 06 Hot Prospects Flair. Chester Taylor. Aaron McNair. We got a numbered card here. Jonathan Joseph. Number 844 out of 1150. And then Chad Pennington. He was always a fan favorite. And Carson Palmer. Newest backup in Dallas. And got paid before Dak. Dak's going to get paid. That's just a matter of when, not if. Dallas is going to have a heck of an offense this upcoming season. All right, let's check out the certified here. AP. Odell. Travis Kelce. Deshaun Jackson. 416 out of 450. And a raise the banner, Russell Wilson. Super Bowl 48, and that's that's when they torched. I do mean torched the Broncos. All right, 2018 Select. That's a filler. Okay. All right. Leighton Vander Esch, rookie. Tannehill. Kyle Lauletta. Got the filler. Select Phenoms. Gronk. And Cortland Sutton, rookie. All right, very cool. That was a nice surprise. The Buck City Breaker box. So that was a pretty nice surprise getting that in the mail today. Not expected. So very cool. Thanks a lot to those guys. They're awesome. They're my favorites to break with. So, but that's all I got for this one, guys. I'll have a mail day coming. I don't know, probably Tuesday or Wednesday, something like that. I'm waiting on a couple more things, and so that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Talk to you later.